Are you tired of juggling multiple AI subscriptions and paying every single month? Even worse, are you tired of paying again every time a new AI version drops? If so, stay with me, because I'm about to show you how to break this cycle for good. Let's be real, the AI space is exploding right now. Every few weeks there's something new. ChatGPT rolls out another version, Gemini launches a faster, smarter version, Claude introduces new, better version. A new AI tool hits the market almost every single week, and the list goes on. But then reality hits. Every time a new version drops, you're asked to upgrade. You're told to pay more. You're pushed into another subscription, and it never stops. Want better responses? Upgrade. Want faster output? Upgrade. Want access to latest model? Upgrade again. Want access to latest version? Upgrade again. You start with one AI model or tool, then another. Before you realize it, you're juggling ChatGPT subscription, Claude subscription, Gemini subscription, DeepSeek subscription, Copilot subscription, 5, 7, even 10 different platforms. You're spending $100, $200, even $500+ a month. And even after paying, you're still limited. You're locked into one AI at a time. You can't compare outputs across AI models. You don't even know which AI is best for your task. You're consistently switching tabs and tools, and you still don't get access to future versions. And when a better version launches, you guessed it, pay again. And slowly, you become dependent on subscriptions, draining your wallet month after month, year after year. It's frustrating, right? But not anymore. Finally, a smarter way to use AI. What if you could break out of this cycle completely? What if you didn't have to pay every time a new AI version launches? You didn't need multiple AI model subscriptions. You didn't have to switch between tools. You could access everything from one place. That is exactly what BrainBeast AI delivers. Introducing BrainBeast AI. Never seen before AI toolkit that gives you access to the world's most leading and premium AI models like ChatGPT, Claude AI, Gemini AI, DeepSeek AI, Llama AI, Mistral AI, Cohere AI, Grok AI, Copilot AI Pro, and many more, including all current and future version access inside one powerful dashboard for a low one-time fee. No monthly fees, no new version charges, no more paying again and again. Let me show you what you're about to unlock inside BrainBeast AI with the power of multi-version AI models. 1. ChatGPT AI model family by OpenAI multi-version access. Access every GPT version, current and future. GPT 5.4, GPT 5.3, GPT 5.2, GPT 5.2 Pro, GPT 5.1, GPT 5.0, GPT 4.1 Mini, GPT 4.1 Nano, GPT 4.1, GPT 4 Turbo, GPT 4.0 Mini, GPT 4.0, GPT 0.3 Mini, GPT 0.3, GPT 0.1, GPT 3.5 Turbo, upcoming versions. 2. DeepSeek AI model family, multi-version access. Access every DeepSeek AI version, current and future. DeepSeek R1, DeepSeek Chat, DeepSeek V2, DeepSeek V3, upcoming versions. 3. Gemini AI model family by Google, multi-version access. Access every Gemini AI version, current and future. Gemini 2.5 Flash, Gemini 2.0 Flash, Gemini 1.5 Flash, Gemini 2.0 Pro, Gemini 1.5 Pro, Gemini 1.0 Pro, Gemini Ultra, upcoming versions. Claude AI model family by Anthropic, multi-version access. Access every Claude AI version, current and future. Claude AI Opus 4.6, Claude AI Opus 4.5, Claude AI Opus 4.1, Claude AI Opus 4.0, Claude AI Sonnet 4.5, Claude AI Sonnet 4.0, Claude AI Haku 4.5, Claude AI Haku 3.5, upcoming versions. 5. Grok AI model family by XAI multi-version access. Access every Grok version, current and future. Grok 4.1, Grok 4.0 Code, Grok 4.0, Grok 3.0 Mini, Grok 3.0, Grok 2.0 Mini, Grok 2.0, Grok 1.5, Grok 1.0, upcoming versions. Number 6, Llama AI model family by Meta, multi-version access. Access every Llama version, current and future. Llama 4.0 Scout, Llama 4.0 Maverick, Llama 4.0 Behemoth, Llama 3.0 8B 70B, Llama 3.1 8B 70B 4005B, Llama 3.2 1B 3B 8B 70B, Llama 3.3 70B, Llama 2.0 7B 13B 70B. Upcoming versions. Number 7, Mistral AI model family multi-version access. Access every Mistral version, current and future. Mistral Medium 3, Mistral Small 3, 3.1, Mistral 7B, Mistral 8X22B, Mistral 8X7B. Upcoming versions. Number 8, Cohere AI model family multi-version access. Access every Cohere version, current and future. Command A reasoning, Command A vision, Command R, Command 52B, Command Lite. Upcoming versions. Number 9, Copilot AI model family by Microsoft multi-version access, Copilot AI, Copilot AI Pro, plus upcoming versions. One platform, every AI family. All versions included, no monthly fees. No switching tools, no multiple subscriptions, no API keys needed. Just unlimited AI power at your fingertips. No more juggling multiple AI model subscriptions, wasting time switching between tools, or paying expensive monthly fees. Instead of spending $100+ per month on different AI subscriptions, you can get lifetime access to all major AI models for a low one-time payment. With BrainBeast AI, you get the power of multiple AI models plus all their versions at your fingertips. Instead of paying for multiple models, instead of upgrading every few months, instead of missing out on new AI versions, BrainBeast AI puts everything under one roof. And here's the best part. No monthly fees, no version charges, no more paying again and again. It works in 3 easy steps. Step 1, log into BrainBeast AI. Step 2, choose and switch between AI models. Step 3, create, automate, scale, and profit. That's it. No complicated setups, no recurring fees, just pure AI power at your fingertips. Here's what makes BrainBeast AI different. Every time a new AI version launches, other platforms don't upgrade to access the latest version, pay extra to unlock new feature, switch plans to continue. BrainBeast AI, you already have access. Let's break it down. Most people spend $100 a month, which equals $1,200 a year. $200 a month, $2,400 a year. $3,000 a month, $3,600 a year, and that's without new version. Add new versions, even more money. With BrainBeast AI, one-time payment, lifetime access, all models included, all versions included. For the first time, you're not dependent on subscriptions, you're in control. Now you can create content faster, offer AI services, automate your work, scale your income without increasing your costs. Now you're probably thinking, this must cost a fortune, right? In simple terms, BrainBeast AI is priceless. Why? Because right now people are paying hundreds of dollars every month for different AI tools. Content, coding, research, automation, it all adds up, month after month. Honestly, we could easily charge $997 or more for BrainBeast AI because it replaces multiple premium AI tools inside one powerful dashboard. But we didn't want this to be limited to big agencies or tech experts. So here's the deal. You won't pay $997 for it. You won't even pay $497 for it. Today you get BrainBeast AI for a small one-time payment. And yes, your purchase is 100% risk-free. You're fully protected by a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you think this is not for you, we'll refund every single penny. But here's the thing. This is a limited time launch offer. Once it ends, price increases, monthly plans may return, access may be restricted, so now you have 2 choices. Option 1, keep paying for every AI model, keep paying for every new version, keep losing money. Option 2, switch to BrainBeast AI, pay once, get everything. Click the button below right now and unlock every AI model, every version, no monthly or yearly fees, all in one place. So, what are you waiting for? Click the button below and join the thousands of people who are already changing their lives with BrainBeast AI. Don't miss out today. Get started today. We'll see you inside.